So YouTube has its own tools for generating AI videos. Some creators do not know that this exists, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access it and how to use it. The YouTube video generator has been around for a while now. It is completely free and you can use it to generate unlimited videos. It's a powerful tool, but it has its own limits. You can only use it to generate YouTube shorts, reels for Instagram and TikTok, or any vertical video content. I will walk you through how to use it. If you are watching me right now and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now. Here on this channel, I show people how to use AI to create any kinds of video and how they can monetize their AI content creation skill. If you don't want to miss out, make sure you are subscribing and turn on the notification so you can know anytime I drop a new video. One thing to keep in mind is that the YouTube AI video generator works only on phone, not on computer. So let's get into it.
Right, so to use the YouTube AI video generator, I'll be using the YouTube app. Yes, the one you have on your phone, the one that you normally use to watch movie. Launch it. Once you launch it, you see this plus sign below. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this page.
It will take you to a page that looks as if you want to record a video.
Look at this red circle at the top right side. Tap on it. It will take you here, and this is where we are going to perform the magic. Now if you look at this top, look at the top, you are going to see different options. You see create video, make me move, photo to video, create music. The one we need to create a reels and YouTube short is the create video. So tap on the create video. Once you tap on it,
if you are doing this for the first time,
you are going to see this notification. Tap on continue. Once you are at this page, you are going to see different video ideas that you can use as an inspiration, but we don't need that. This is where we are going to work. You see this down here, that's our workspace. That's the one we have business with. Now you see this page, you can use it to create text to video, and you can also use it to create image to video. But let's start with text to video. I'm going to paste my prompt now, the prompt I want to use to generate my video, so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'll paste my prompt. I said, a realistic gorilla astronaut in a sleek futuristic spacesuit floating weightlessly in deep outer space, slowly drifting past glowing stars and colorful nebula clouds. The gorilla gently rotates while looking around in wonder, with Earth visible in the distance. Cinematic lighting, ultra detailed for realistic space reflection in the helmet visitor, smooth camera movement, epic science fiction atmosphere, high quality 4K animation. After that, I'll tap on send and my video will start generating. In less than a minute, the video will be done.
And here is the result. And that's how to use the text to video generator on this app. You can also do all kinds of edits to your video on this platform. I will show you how to do that later in this video. But for now, let's go and test the image to video generator. So I'll go back and I'll clear this prompt. Then you see this add image. I'll tap on it.
It will take me to my phone gallery where I can choose the image I want to use. I want to turn the image of this influencer to a video. So I'll paste the prompt I want to use. She said, I've been using this amazing skincare serum for the past few weeks, and honestly the difference has been incredible. My skin feels more hydrated, brighter and much more healthier than before. I'll tap on send and the video will start generating.
Like I said earlier, the video will generate in less than a minute. So let's wait and see the result.
I've been using this amazing skincare serum for the past few weeks. Honestly, the difference has been incredible. My skin feels more hydrated, brighter, and much healthier than before. You can edit your video by
tapping on the edit button down here. If you look down here, you're going to see different things you can do to your video. You can add text to your video, you can add music to it, you can add stickers, and you can also add your own voiceover to your AI generated videos. You can also upload your video directly on YouTube. If you go back, you are going to see the next button beside the edit button. Tap on it. Then you can add your video title and other necessary things you want to do before you upload it. To download your video, look at this button that is here. Tap on the collapse button. Then you see save to device. Click on it and your video will automatically download on your phone. You can upload your downloaded video on TikTok, Instagram, or even Facebook. You can also use it to create a UGC vertical content for your client. If you watch this video till the end,
Make sure you like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.